In this tutorial, we're going to be learning on how to handle missing data using Python programming language. For this tutorial, we'll be using this data set here, this NFL play-by-play 2009-2016. So first, we imported our library, which are pandas and numpy. So let's load our data set here. So we create a variable nf1. Here, load our data. Here, we loaded our data here. These are data sets. So now let's get the number of missing data points per column. So we create another variable, missing, let's say missing values. nf1 is null. That function is null. We like to know the sum of null values there. So these are the missing values per column. Can you see that? So now let's say I want to know the missing point in the first 10 columns. In the first 10 columns. So just pass this variable here. Just pass this variable here that is missing values. So for the first 10 columns. Can you see that? Now let's say we want to know how many total missing values do we have. Total missing values we have. So create a new variable total cells. So use this numpy np.products. So this function here will show the total missing values we have in the data set. Can you see? This is the total number of missing values we have in the data set. Let's say we want to know the percentage of data that is missing. We want to know the percentage of data that is missing. Create a new variable percent missing. So to get our percentage missing, we use the total missing divided by the total cells. There are total cells here. Then multiply it by 100. So that is 24% of the data set are missing. This they have null values. Now, let's say we want to remove all columns with at least one missing value. All columns with at least one missing values. So create a new variable columns. So we use this function drop NA. Use drop null values. So here we've dropped the null values in the data set. Let's say we want to fill in the missing values. Want to fill in the missing values with something. Let's say let's create a new variable. Subset. So we want to fill in missing values in this column. Let's say EPA colon using. You can as well replace all null values with zero. Let's replace all null values with zero. So we automatically replace all null values with zero. Can you see? It was NaN here, but here it has been replaced with zero. Thank you.